Hello everyone. We did the project called Lathan.ch, which is basically a blog post website. Today we are going to see how we can add the blog on the website and how we can edit the blog, which is entirely built in Flutter. So we used entirely Flutter widgets to build the blog. As you can see here, you can go to create a new blog by clicking on the new button, new blog, and you can even change the date as well. After saving it, you could edit the web pages. As you can see, we have limited widgets. We have used limited widgets to build the website, which is basically it may be the text or image or video, and the rest of the things are used to style the page. We can see one by one here. The text is represent the selectable text of Flutter programming. The entire code, as you could see here, is written at the back end of backend when you are clicking on the element. If I click on text, it's actually programming in the background, so you don't need to edit anything. Like as you can see, it has a selectable text here, and under that it has a text span, and the text span you can enter some text. Like here I can write some content goes here, title, and the text span can contain more text span like children's. To add that, I should select selectable text, and by type here to add, and on top of save it will add as a children. As you can see, the text span contains one more text span like here. If I want to add more, I can add even more, like by selecting selectable text and add more, save. But everything attached together like a single text. But what I want is, I want to design multiple, like add more should come to the next line. So I press enter, and the text here to space one space, and the parent text span style, some of styles apply to child too. If I don't want it, you should not add content here. You should add content at children level only. Like say, if I style the element to strike it out, all the childrens will have strike it out, so I don't want it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to color the title text as green. Okay, and I'm going to increase some size. That's nice. And for this, I'm going to color is red, thus and size little bit larger, and add more should on the next line. Oh, sorry. Okay, and it should be in bold, and it should be in blue, and with underline, with italic, and here you goes. These are the basic elements of the text, however you want. But here, as you can see, you could have some properties over here, like alignment left or center right, but it's useful only if the selectable text under the container. We can see it later. So let's move to the next one, images. It's possible to upload an image or URL image. Basically, we used only network images class here. As you can see, if you choose to upload, first we upload the image to our server and get the public URL and paste it here. If you use the URL, the image is directly displayed here. As you can see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to image a new tab and copy the image URL, and make sure you should not select anything in the left side. So the next element will add under the next above one. In this case, in case it's selected, unselect first and click on URL, paste the URL here and click on OK. You can see the images. The images will have some more properties like width and height. By default it null. If you want it be in null, it will take the original size, but I want it in 100 pixel only, so image will be reduced to small size. If I have 400, okay, and I want the height should be 200 only. So basically by 400 200 the image is center aligned with original size, but what I want is I want to fill with the width. I can fit with, see, it's zoomed, or even cover. The same property is applied here. Fill, it's stretched out. The image will be stretched and contain the maximum size it can fit inside it. And fit height is aligning only with the height, irrespective of width. For width it will consider only width irrespective of height. So in this square image we are losing top and bottom. If it is a none, the original image is displayed on the given size. Scale down, it's under the scale down, like basically scale down and content has similar. Okay. To unselect, you should select something which has children to unselect. We will fix the bug later. And next one is video. Oh, here we forgot to upload image as well. What I'm going to do, uploading image, and it's added here, but it's too large, so I'm going to resize it to take 400 only at the height. Okay, so we can't unselect the single child item, so I'm going to select the children item one and unselect it. Later what I'm going to do it, the next one is video. You can enter any video URL to display here as a video. Just I'm going to select one video of YouTube here, and I'm going to make sure you unselect everything in the left side and paste the URL, give an OK. It will load the video here. If it can't able to load, it will give you an error. Try to play it first. Okay, now it's playing, means the URL ordered successfully.